24-port CAT6 patch panel. This patch panel enables quick, easy cable patching. Just plug Cat6 cables into its 24 front RJ45 ports, and use a 110 or Krone punch-down tool to terminate color-coded connections in the rear. Power over Ethernet Plus. This PoE Plus patch panel maximizes performance with PoE Plus applications. Power over Ethernet patch panel prevents spark gap erosion that can affect transmission. 1U rack mounting. The high-density patch panel supports mounting in 1U of space in EIA-standard 19-inch racks. Included cable ties and a removable cable management bracket help organize your connections. Wiring standards. The N250P12 supports EIA, TIA 568A and 568B wiring standards and is compatible with all network applications. This PoE Plus patch panel is TAA-compliant for GSA schedule purchases. Also known as PoE Ethernet patch panel, PoE Plus network panel, patch panel rack, network patch panel, Cat6 patch panel, Cat6 patch panel. Top reviews from the United States. Punch-down is better than pass-through keystone connection. I bought a pass-through keystone connection patch panel and returned it. While connecting RJ45 plugs may be faster than punch-down connection, you now have 2 jacks and plugs for each connection, which can result in sloppy, unreliable connections. The punch-down connection is solid as long as you use a good punch-down tool.